Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is, what are the reasons behind food inflation? Discuss how it can be mitigated. So first of all, what do you mean by food inflation? Food inflation refers to the persistent rise in the prices of food commodities over a period of time. It directly impacts food security, agricultural sustainability, and overall economy, particularly in a country like India, where a large proportion of household income is spent on food. So, this is the brief introduction about what do you mean by the food inflation. Now, what are the causes of food inflation? So, first is supply side factors. Under this, the number one is low agricultural productivity due to small and fragmented land holdings, poor technology adoption, and low irrigation coverage. Then crop failures by droughts, floods, pest attacks, etc. Inadequate cold storage and warehousing leads to post-harvest losses. Then demand side factors, that is rising incomes and changing diets of the people. Then price volatility. Under this, the hoarding and the black marketing, speculative trading in the agricultural commodities. Then policy related issues like persistent increase in the MSPs, export import restrictions, then global factors, that is increase in the international prices of food, depreciation of rupee leads to costlier imports like edible oils, pulses, etc. So these are some of the reasons behind the food inflation. Now how to mitigate this food inflation? Invest in research and development for high yielding drought resistant varieties, crop diversification, adequate cold chain and storage facilities, adoption of micro irrigation technology, strengthen APMC, that is Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee reforms, and proper implementation of e-National Agricultural Market, maintain adequate buffer stock of food grains to control sudden price surges, reduce dependence on imports. So in this way, we can mitigate the food inflation. Hence, food inflation is a multifaceted issue involving climatic, economic, policy, and structural dimensions. To tackle it, it requires an integrated approach, that is boosting productivity, improving infrastructure, reforming markets, and ensuring efficient policy implementation. So in this way, you can attempt this answer. And to get the PDF of these answers, you can refer my Telegram channel. Thank you and keep watching my videos.